At a loss for words. Unable to speak due to surprise, shock, or strong emotion. I was at a loss for words when I saw the view. At a loss for words. Unable to speak due to surprise, shock, or strong emotion. She was at a loss for words after hearing the good news. The whole 9 yards. Everything, all of it. The documentary gave viewers the whole 9 yards of the company's history. The whole 9 yards. Everything, all of it. When he asked her about it, she explained the whole 9 yards, step by step. Against all odds. Despite many difficulties. She started a successful business against all odds, even with little money. Against all odds. Despite many difficulties. The tiny team solved the complex problem against all odds. A defining moment. An important event that changes or shapes someone's life or future. His first big role was a defining moment in his acting career. A defining moment. An important event that changes or shapes someone's life or future. The invention of the smartphone was a defining moment in modern technology. Stay on top of things. To be in control, updated. He reads the news daily to stay on top of things. Stay on top of things. To be in control, updated. I track my expenses to stay on top of things with money. Go overboard. To do too much, be excessive. She went overboard on shopping during the sale. Go overboard. To do too much, be excessive. Don't go overboard with the spices in the soup. Worth its weight in gold. Extremely valuable or useful. Good advice is worth its weight in gold. Worth its weight in gold. Extremely valuable or useful. A loyal friend is worth his weight in gold. Keep your eyes peeled. To stay alert and watchful. She told her kids to keep their eyes peeled for the ice cream truck. Keep your eyes peeled. To stay alert and watchful. Keep your eyes peeled, the boss might walk in any minute. Fall flat. To fail completely or to not have the intended effect. Their plan to surprise her fell flat. Fall flat. To fail completely or to not have the intended effect. The movie's ending fell flat and disappointed fans. Pay through the nose. To pay a lot of money. He had to pay through the nose for car repairs. Pay through the nose. To pay a lot of money. They paid through the nose to live in that neighborhood. Clean slate. A fresh start, free from previous mistakes or problems. The company offered him a clean slate despite his past mistakes at work.